Next we will be discussing standardized death rate. Standardized death rate is basically nothing but comparison of the two localities. So as you can see that they are given the locality A and the locality B as well as the standard population. In locality A, death population, here also death population and standard population. With this standard population, we are going to compare the death rate of both. Now, sometimes what happens, they will not give you the standard population separate and they will tell you take locality A as a standard population. So you can take the same population here and you can start comparing for both the cities. Okay. So generally, how to start this problem, as this problem is for 10 marker, I would suggest first you start with the locality A. So let's talk about first here, locality A. Now locality A, what and all is given? Age, death and population. And also standard population. Standard population is denoted as P. So let me write P. All these things are given. Standard population is nothing but 6,000, 12,000, 8,000 and 4,000. Similarly, age is nothing but 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60 and 60 and above. Okay, and death and population are same data. You can write, let me write this data also. Since it's a first problem, so I just don't want any confusion to happen. So let me just write all the data. So I have taken exactly the same data, whatever they have given in the questions. You don't need to write the questions together, just only take the first data. Okay, so we will start our problem with the locality A. Now, we know that the formula for STDR says that summation PA by summation P. So STDR A is equal to summation PA by summation P, where your A is equal to ASDR. So here first I'll find out ASDR and that I will denote with A. All of you know how to find the ASDR. Let me write the ASDR formula. It's very much compulsory to write the ASDR formula. It consists of 1 mark. So what will happen? Number of death in a specific age group divided by total number of population in that group, in that age group, into 1000. Okay, so this is our, already we have learned how to calculate ASDR. What we are going to do is death divided by population into 1000, 54 divided by 9000 into 1000, 98 divided by 7000 into 1000. So similarly, we are going to get the ASDR here. So let me write ASDR. I have already calculated 18, 6, 14 and 43 and 43. Since we got the A as well as P, we need summation PA. So here we are going to find out one column where we are multiplying this into standard population. So when you multiply 18 into 6, 108 000 72,000, 14 into 1, 14 into 8,000, 112 000, 43 into 4 is 172 000. Now if I am adding all this value, I will be getting summation PA, which is nothing but 464 000, 464 000, and summation P is nothing but the standard population, which you will get from here. So summation P is nothing but 30,000. 30,000. So what we have to do is 464 000 divided by 30,000, 3030 cancelled, and the final answer what we will get is 15.46. That is 15.46. That is STDR A. Okay. So what and all we have done is, first we have find out the ASDR, that is death divided by population into 1000, and then ASDR that we consider as A multiplied with the standard population, and we got the summation total. That summation total divided by the standard population total will give you the STDR. So we'll stop here for locality A. Next we'll start with the locality B. Again same thing, they have given A's, they have given death, they have given population, they have also given the standard population. So standard population as usual constant, so we are going to assume as a P. Here we will calculate again ASDR only, but we will name it as a B since this belongs to the locality B. So death divided by population into 1000. I'm not going to fill the entire data, just let me directly write the 16, 5, 14 and 10. Now this value we are going to multiply with the standard population, that is 6000, 12,000, 8,000 and 4,000. So here also 6,000, 12,000, 8,000 and 4,000. So if you multiply this, you are going to get over here is P into B. That summation we have to find out. To put that STDRB. STDRB formula we know that summation PB by summation P. That will become, so when you multiply this, 96,000, 60,000, then 14 into 8 is 112,000, then now if you add all these things, summation PB is going to be 42800, 42800, and the summation P is again the same thing, that is 30,000. I hope you are able to understand what I'm doing. Death divided by population into 1000. ASDR, sorry. Once we got the ASDR, we'll assume that as a B, and that we multiply with the P, that is standard population, we'll get the total. Now if you divide this thing, 42800 divided by 30,000, STDRB, you are going to get as a 14.266. This much if you do, you will get the 9 marks. In this, how it works is 1 mark for this formula. This entire thing you are going to get 4 marks, and this entire things you are going to get 4 marks, where this is 1 marker, this is 1 mark, this is 1 mark, and this total together substitution 1 mark. So basically if everything is correct, you are going to get the 4 marks. The last 1 mark will be for conclusion. Now how to write the conclusion? Now in conclusion, generally what happens, they will ask you which city is healthier, which means wherever there is a less death is more healthier. So we'll compare STDRA and STDRB, which has a less value, STDRB. So we'll write here STDRB less than STDRA, hence locality B is healthier. Locality B is healthier. So if you do this much, it's going to be your 10 marker compulsory question, question number 37. And generally what we are trying to do is we are comparing the population of 2 localities and finding out which is the more healthier. Pause the video to note it down. Based on this, I'll give you the few worksheet problems. I want all of you to work out and let me know if you have any doubt. Thank you.